Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to automatically mute all Instagram notifications at night. First, launch the Instagram app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open your Settings and Activity Control panel. Under the Primary Options list, tap directly on the Configuration row option labeled Notifications. Inside the Notifications dashboard, locate the subsection option explicitly labeled Quiet Mode or Sleep Mode and tap on it. Tap on the primary toggle switch right next to Quiet Mode to turn it completely on. Look directly below the toggle to customize your automated scheduling hours framework. Tap on From to set your starting evening hour, then tap on To to establish your ending morning wake-up time. You can also select specific days of the week underneath if you want to alter the scheduling rules for weekends. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.